Hello friends, good evening all. Welcome back to another video. Friends, in this video I'm going to talk about high school English grammar and composition by Wren and Martin. Friend, as you know that Wren and Martin is one of the most popular author in market. So it's a multicolor edition, as you can see. It has been mentioned, multicolor edition, and it's large format and revised by Dr. N.D.V. Prasada Rao. As you can, this is the front cover of this book, and this is the side view of this book, and this is the back side of this book. Friends, I must say that if you want to learn English properly, then you have to have this book. You know, all the author of English, all the author of English grammar, all the author of spoken English, they use this book as a reference book. So you have to have this book on your bookshelf. So if you purchase this book, then you will be able to understand how to make sentences and how to use tenses, grammar. All the topics of grammar have been covered in this book. So let's see what's the contents been given in this book. What sort of contents have been given in this book. So as you can see, this is the book 1 grammar section. This is the grammar section. All the chapters of grammar, of English grammar, have been covered in this side. Okay, in this section. Okay, the contents. And the book 2, the composition section, all the composition have been given here. So you don't need to purchase any book, but I must request you, but if you don't have the basic knowledge of English grammar, please try to skip this book. You need to purchase any Hindi to English grammar book, you know. But if you have basic knowledge of English grammar, if you know the basic of English grammar, then you could buy this book, you know. I must request you to purchase this book. So, and the pages quality of this book is awesome, guys. It's no doubt this is a Wren and Martin book, and actually I was really excited to buy this book for a long time, and finally I received this book, which was delivered by today. And the delivery guy is awesome, guys. I like to chat with him, so he also like to chat with me. So as you can see, this is a multicolor edition, guys. It's a really good book to improve your English, guys. And I have to say here that all the English medium schools use this book as reference of all the English medium school use this book, guys, to teach. And all the English medium schools teachers use this book to teach their student how to speak English, how to write English in the proper way. So this is the great book that you can purchase to improve your English, guys. It has everything that you need to know. If you are trying to give any examination, then you also need to have this book, guys. So it's a really good book to improve your English. So I must suggest you to purchase this book. And guys, but one thing that I don't like about Wren and Martin, which is the key. You know, if you want to practice exercise and you have to purchase different key, answer book is not given here, or the answers are not given in this book. So you have to purchase separate book named Key to Wren and Martin, High School English Grammar, Key to Wren and Martin. Okay, so this was the review, guys. So if you want to know in detail more details about this book, so you can comment me, go into comment section. So this was the review of this book, guys. It's one of the great book that I wanted to purchase, but finally now I have this book, and I am really excited to read this book. Actually, I know that you might be saying that English to English is really tough to read, it's tough to understand, but at the end of the day, I have to say that, guys, try to read. And if you read all the rules, if you read all the sentences properly, then you will be definitely you will be able to understand how to make sentences, how to improve your spoken and written English, right, guys? So signing out, guys. Try to share this channel and try to share this video, and please do subscribe this channel, guys. You all the time you watch video but don't hit the like button, so please do it, and keep supporting me, guys. I'm going to bring a lot of great spoken English related video in this channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Signing out. Bye bye. As you can see, the language of this book is English to English. So if you are from Hindi medium or Bengali medium student, so then if you have the basic knowledge of English grammar, then you will be able to understand the language of this book and the what author is trying to say you. Okay, so this is the main view of this book.